Pheochromocytoma. Introduction. Can you point to the adrenal gland? Choose one of the following options. Correct. Is it true that every person that has high blood pressure has a pheochromocytoma? Select yes or no. Correct. Not every person that has high blood pressure has a pheochromocytoma. These tumors are rare. Do pheochromocytomas often affect both adrenal glands? Select yes or no. Correct. Pheochromocytomas often affect only one adrenal gland. When treating pheochromocytoma, healthcare providers usually recommend surgery to remove the tumor. Select true or false. Correct. Surgery to remove the tumor and affected adrenal gland is often recommended. Thank you for using Explain.